We are going to start mentioning fruit and food for a healthy lifestyle according to the alphabets.
A. Apple. Take apple a day from doctor away. B. Banana. Banana is a good source of energy. High in potassium, which help control blood pressure. Banana is great source of natural sugar and carbs. C. Coconut. Coconut is high fiber content. Coconut contain lauric acid, which may support cholesterol balance. Date. Date. Date is high in natural sugar for quick energy. A healthy alternative to refined sugar, date is good for heart rich in and in fiber. E. Egg. Egg is good source of protein to support muscles and growth. Egg is contain choline, essential for brain health. It is good for diet plan. Fish is high source of protein. Fish is good source of vitamins and have omega-3, which is good for brain development, especially for children's. G. Guava. Guava is a good source of vitamin C. It helps to control blood sugar. Guava is rich of fiber to digest the food. H. Honey. Honeybees fly to flowers and collect nectar using their long, tube-like tongues. The nectar is stored in their honey stomach. Honey is natural energy source. It helps to fight damaged cells. It soothes sour throat and cough.